Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you the analysis behind this trade. Okay, so from daily perspective, I see that this market is on a downtrend. Alright, so the market is on a downtrend. That being said, so late last week, so I was looking for an entry. Okay, so I picked my order block right here. So my order block is the last bearish candle before a swing high. So this is a swing high right here, a swing high, and this is my order block, the last bearish candle. So this is a swing low, swing high, this is a swing low. Okay, and we have a new swing high right there. Okay, so I was expecting the market to make a rejection for my order block here. So I was expecting the market to do a rejection, okay, and the market will continue to drop. Okay, so here is what actually happened. So I see this rejection here. So I will tell you the remaining analysis on the lower time frame. Alright, so I come down to 4 hours to see the reaction. Okay, so this is the first rejection, and the market dropped a bit and push back up to give us a second high. Okay, so this is like a double top. Okay, so and a double top is a reversal pattern where we are expecting the market to drop. Okay, so I didn't pick my entry based on what I see on 4 hours. I actually come down to a lower time frame, okay, to see and have a better confluence. All right, so another confluence that I spotted on 1 hour is this divergence. So the market is making higher high here, okay, and my indicator is showing a lower low. Okay, so that is another confluence, okay, signifying that this market is going to drop massively. Okay, so I come down to 30 minutes to now pick my supply zone. Okay, so I come to 30 minutes to pick my supply zone. Okay, so I pick my zone right here. Okay, so I pick my zone right there where I was expecting the market to so I was expecting the market to fall. So I was expecting the market to drop. So I was expecting the market to drop, okay, and move back up. Okay, so after testing this, okay, and it didn't break, so it is logical to believe that the market is going to drop on that zone. Alright, so that's the essence of supply and demand. Okay, so demand level areas where you're expecting the market to bounce up. Okay, so I enter for my position after this rejection, and then the market started falling. Okay, so this market did a retracement. Okay, so this entry was actually today. So this market did a retracement. Okay, but when the market when the market is on a downtrend, it continues to do higher high and lower low. Okay, so this market just did give us a lower high. Okay, so that if you miss the entry right here, you have another opportunity to get into the market here. Okay, so you just need something to kick you into the market, and this is another supply zone, guys. This is another supply zone. This is another supply zone, okay, that can take you into the market. You will get a clear view from 15-minute time frame. Okay, so you can pick your supply zone here. So your supply zone is actually the last bearish or bullish candle before a massive drop. Okay, so you just wait for the market to reject on it, and you go into the market. All right, so I believe this market will still continue to go down from what I have on daily time frame. Okay, so what I did to enter the new position this morning, let me explain that. So why this market was doing this retracement, okay, I actually spotted a supply zone here again. Let me show you on 30 minutes. So I spotted this supply zone, okay, where I was expecting the market to reject. So I was expecting the market to reject right here. Okay, so after the market did a push up, came down, coming here, so I was just waiting for a rejection, and I entered for my position here. Okay, and the market did a massive push up. Okay, and still coming down. All right, so here is what I want to point out to you right now. All right, so we still have several supply zone, okay, whereby you can still get into the market. All right, first is this zone. First is this zone. Okay, the market made a massive drop at that zone. All right, so the market can drop from that level. Okay, this is another supply zone. Here is another supply zone. Okay, where the market can still push back. Okay, drop or the break here and then drop again. Okay, so and the last that I want you to see right now is this demand zone. Let me show you from 1 hour. Okay, so here is a demand zone because the market started doing a massive push up from this point. All right, so here is a demand zone. So here is a demand zone. Okay, so the market actually tries to bounce off from here. Okay, but because the selling pressure is massive, so we see if this candle is going to break below the demand zone. Okay, and if it does, then we know that this market is still going in for a massive sell. Okay, it's still going in for a massive sell. But one thing that I want you to know is that in the market, in a downturn, the market continues to make lower low, lower high, lower low, push up to a lower high, and that it continues moving in that direction. So there will always be an opportunity on the lower time frame, for you to get into the market. All right, so I just want to point that to you, how you can pick trades, from higher time frame down to lower time frame, guys. All right, so from daily, you spot the key level. Come to 4 hours, look for the candlestick structure. Okay, and another thing that I want to point is momentum shift. Okay, so you can see this market has been going up in greens. Okay, and then this red, very big bearish candle came in. Okay, so this is like a momentum shift from being in the massive movement and then a momentum shift to the downside. All right, so you know that this market is going for itself because sellers are now coming into the market. All right, so I'm going to attach a very short video of how I did the analysis this morning. I just did the analysis while I woke up in the middle of the night and picked the trade. So I will attach it to the end of this video, guys, so you can learn and pick your trade. Okay, let me just see if you can. So lately I'm just looking into these three pair: GP, GP, Euro USD and Euro JPY. Okay, now this is another. So I actually marked this zone expecting a breakout from this range. Okay, and that the market will actually drop to this level of demand. All right, so you can just do analysis from drop down, from top to bottom. All right, so I just want to show this to you guys. Okay.